How to use a VPN for secure and fast streaming, step by step. Streaming should be secure, fast, and unrestricted.
Using NordVPN ensures all three.
Whether you're watching Netflix, Disney+, or YouTube, a VPN encrypts your connection and gives you access to a world of content. Join NordVPN for free. The link is in the description. Step 1. Download and install NordVPN on your device. Step 2. Log in and choose a fast server based on your desired country.
Step 3. Open your favorite streaming app and enjoy content safely and buffer-free.
This guide walks you through each step so you can stream smoothly. With NordVPN, you also avoid ISP throttling,
which often slows down your speeds during heavy usage hours. If you're tired of limited libraries,
blocked videos, and privacy risks,
then it's time to use NordVPN.
Plus, with military-grade encryption and zero-log policy,
your data stays private.
Streaming doesn't have to be limited. Use NordVPN and enjoy the internet the way it was meant to be, open and secure.